Hey guys, so after that previous GoPro that I did in regards of the screen protector, somebody commented and they wanted to see if the GoPro 5 it's really waterproof, and if it is, we should like dump it in water. So we took up the challenge and we're gonna do it. As you well know, the GoPro 4 has a waterproof housing, so on this one you actually have to put it on the 4. Can't show that because I'm recording on it right now, but basically it opens up and it's completely waterproof. It shuts, but then the GoPro 5, the doors are just sealed. It looks kind of doubting, but we're gonna see if it actually works. And I've taken it in the rain before. I didn't submerge it in water, but keep your fingers crossed and hope for the best. At least the guy who left the comment is gonna join more than us probably. We looked up some videos and see if anyone else has done this before, and there's plenty of videos out there. But what I couldn't find is if anyone dumped it in hot water, cold water, or medium temperature water. So I was really curious about that because it seems like everybody's just dumping theirs in regular water, but nothing different. So I didn't really see a video about the temperature of the water, so I hope you're gonna enjoy it, because we are. We never done this before either. Let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start off with regular water, which is not too hot or too cold. It's medium temperature. We got a thermometer over here, which shows something right now. I'm not sure if that's accurate, but we're gonna put it in the water to measure. Oh, there you go, 88.2 Fahrenheit. Alright guys, so the temperature of this water, it's 88.2. Okay, so our GoPro is on right now, as you can tell. It's not recording, so let's have it record. GoPro, start recording. Okay, it's going in, guys. Alright, let's see what this thing records in there. Alright, so it's been in the water for about 1 minute and 47 seconds, I guess, or something like that. GoPro, stop recording. So you hear the beeping wasn't that loud, probably water got around the little holes over there, but let's see if we can shake it off a little bit. GoPro, start recording. There you go. It doesn't seem like it has any voice recognition problems after it's been outside the water, and before I even shook it, it still recognized my voice, which is pretty awesome. Of course, after we shook it off from the water, it got louder. GoPro, stop recording. We are going to do the ice cold water next, and yes, we're gonna use ice. That's exciting. So after our first failure of wasting the ice, this is all we got left. And now we're gonna dump this in there, try to make it as cold as we can with the ice remaining. Then we're gonna measure it, and then we're gonna dump it. So alright, we're gonna go ahead and measure it. Alright guys, we got 45 degrees, and that's Fahrenheit. Alright, it's going in. Oh, that's cold. That's pretty weird. For some reason, it went on the settings mode, but I didn't touch that. Yep, so here's the auto exposure. I'm not sure how that happened, and I've seen a different guy on YouTube talking about this. He's entirely right. I'm not really touching that. Wow, what? I do not want auto exposure. Yeah, so I'm assuming if you touch either the bottom of the top, it goes on auto exposure. It shouldn't do that, it's too sensitive, but let's put it back in there. Seems like it's doing pretty well in there. Let's see how the voice recognition performs. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. There's bubbles coming out. I'm not sure if that's too good. GoPro, stop recording. Yeah, I'm expecting too much, I guess. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Yeah, that took a little bit of extra, but alright, let's shake it off a little bit. GoPro, start recording. Yeah, seems like it's doing fine. Next challenge up, it's hot water. I'm pretty excited about that because we've been to hot springs before, and we've been to hot tubs and pools, and I really never thought of like taking it in like film because I thought it's gonna mess up my GoPro. But I'm pretty excited about this one. Hopefully I'm not messing my GoPro up, but I guess we'll see. Alright guys, so I got the hot water going. Seems like it's pretty hot. Not too hot to where I can put my hands in, but I'm not gonna be able to keep my hands in there. So let's go ahead and measure this. 135 Fahrenheit. Okay, that's pretty awesome. That's a lot. Here's what I'm gonna do because I want to keep my hands in there for too long, but I got this. And let's get the GoPro going. GoPro, start recording. Alright, so there you go, you can see it recording. Just gonna lower it down low. Try to flip it over if I can. There you go. Oh look, bubbles coming up. Even more bubbles than last time. Let's see now if the water got hotter, if the voice recognition is gonna work better, which it's worth a try. GoPro, stop recording.
Oh.
What? That's sick. Well, that's pretty awesome. I didn't know that. GoPro, start recording. GoPro, start recording. Guys, that's amazing. That's pretty awesome. Like, I'm so surprised right now. I had no idea there's gonna be any difference from cold to hot water, but apparently there is. Apparently my voice travels better to hot water. That's pretty crazy. Alright, GoPro, come out. GoPro, jump. Alright, GoPro, stop recording. We took the GoPro out of the water and it's totally fine. It turns on and there's not one single problem. And I also cleaned the screen with a towel and seems like the screen protector did not get affected from that hot water, which that's pretty good. That's a good screen protector. Wrap up the video over here. We did the really cold water with ice. We did moderate water, which is in between hot and cold, and then we did really hot water. This little thing stood up to all of them, which is pretty awesome. I also remember that we only did it for about 1.5 to 2 minutes, so keep that in mind. Now that we did all those 3 tests, which doesn't seem like they're out there, and the other guy who did a test with the hot water wasn't that hot. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up, come back for more, leave some comments of what you'd like to see next. Nothing too crazy, come on guys, I'm not getting paid for this. Just subscribe, and as always, don't forget to check out my Instagram account at adventures like this. Thanks for watching guys, bye.